Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'd like to say thank you so much for all your well wishes when I was a bit down. I've been on medication and it's made me miserable and I just didn't want to do anything. Didn't mind watching your videos, but to sit and type I just couldn't. I just weren't in the frame of mind, but I did manage to watch a lot of your videos. That kept me going as well, really did keep me going. So thank you again. I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much for coming over to my channel and appreciating my content. I'd like to thank my returning subscribers as well. I'm on today to stuff some money into my Save 2023 in 2023. I am using my completed savings challenges that I have done. Was it last week before, I think it was a knockout 9, let's get to 100, when pigs fly, and 5 little pigs. So I'll just count that up and see how much we've got here. So we've got in knockout 9, got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right, so that's 145. $145 in knockout 9, and then in let's get to 100, it should be 100, but I think it's a bit more because I got these challenges. These were sort of like my very first challenges that I got off of Etsy, printables from a seller, but they weren't accurate. Let's just say that. This is let's get to 100. I think it's £150 in here, so let's just have a look. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yep, 150. Right, and then when pigs fly and 5 little pigs, because I put them in the same envelope, we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20 and 5. Okay, so we've got for the knockout 9, see if you can see everything from here. Yeah, so the knockout 9 was 145, and the let's get to 100 was 150, and the when pigs fly and 5 little pigs was 125. So that's £420 we've got. And that is to, let's see, so I need space. All right, what was I've lost track of what I was saying. Right, 420, that's it. And we've got I've put it in the emergency envelope because I do want it to be my emergency funds. Last year I did manage to save 2,000 for my emergency fund, so that wasn't bad at all. And I want this to go towards my emergency. Once I get to 5,000, I will leave that for the minute and concentrate on some other bits and pieces. Not that I've got anything more pressing than having lots of money in the emergency funds. Right, I want to finish this line, and I'd like to finish this line as well. So let's see how we do. So we've got 45 here, so we minus now. Minus 45, minus 35, minus 45, minus 50, minus 35, minus 40, minus 45, minus 50, minus 20, minus 35. That's good. And then we've got 20 left, so I'll put the 20 here. Yep. All right, let me just get my pencil. So we finish here. We're not going to do the 40 because we didn't have enough for the 40, so I'll just color all that in. Not the 40, but I'll do the 20. Great. And that is that. So let's put all this away. I am so pleased with that. Not bad, looking good. I think I've done the right. I will double check, but yeah, I think I've done it right. Well, I'll know once I count up the money anyway. But yeah, that's great. I'm so happy with that. That's looking really, really good. And that's all I have for you today. Until another time for cash stuffing, I will see you back soon. I just want to quickly say that I've started back doing my crafting, and if you see a craft video pop up now and again, you're welcome obviously to watch it. If you're not into any crafting, then you can always dismiss it, but I'm just letting you know, just giving you a heads up that I'm starting back my crafting. My crafting is part of my mental health therapy. It keeps me calm, and it distracts me from all sorts of, you know, not good thoughts. And when I'm on edge or when I'm anxious, I like to come into my craft room and do something, no matter how crazy it is, whether I do a bit of cleaning or I do some painting, you know, some really rubbish painting because I've got so much paints that I've been using up. It helps me to just keep focused and keep calm, keep going. So if you do see a video now and again pop up, please, you know, I'd be happy if you did watch them and leave me some feedback. I really would appreciate that. But if you don't, then it's all good. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.